Yes, we can see.
You can see, right? Okay. So here complete URL I'm not able to see, but if I see over here, lead software engineering test. Okay, recording is also. Okay, maybe in title, number of examples, automated engineering process Zira. Okay, here again, software development engineering test again here in the title. So that might be a little earlier title, but otherwise we could not see the entire title. But let me open this profile. So this is add, this is test. Okay, so I'm not getting that. So let's say in title, I would say, okay, now we got 89, right? Test star I would not use, or
Shiv, actually, I'm not able to see your screen.
Yeah, screen got freeze. Shiv.
It is only showing Shiv Kumar Gurums has started screen sharing.
now,
Nothing is visible. No
Yeah.
content is visible over here.
now that's the reason I asked in case if you can see my screen.
No, nothing.
You can't see now also.
No.
No, Shiv. Only we can see is converting meeting.
Now?
Yeah, now
we
I
can.
saw.
Is it with everyone that no one can see my screen?
No, only few can only can't see.
Now it's coming.
Now we can see.
You can see, right? There are few people who can see my screen and few people who cannot.
Now it's visible.
Correct.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so people who are not able to view, maybe a bandwidth issue, internet problem, but otherwise I'm pretty much sharing my screen. Okay. So now instead of only test star in title test or where which has given only 89 result. What's happening? Testing or tester. Okay. So first command in URL linkedin.com/in so that we get only from LinkedIn. Second command in title software space star so that we get software word in the title. And third command in title test or testing or tester. Earlier we tried with in title test star, which has given only 89 keywords, but I'm a bit skeptical as it was not showing testing or testers in the title. So that's reason now we are further modifying the search and asking Google to give the results which has in title test, testing or tester, along with Java, Python or Go or Golang in the text, and Hyderabad around 5 connections so that we get all the profiles only from Hyderabad. Then women star, it could fetch women or women's. Girl star, it could fetch girls or girls. So women or girls or ladies or female or Balia or Mahila or Balika. Around 7. So any one word from the first set of women, women's, ladies, female, Balika, Mahila and all. And within 7 words frontwards or 7 words backward has a word in tech, or has a word in technology, or has a word in IT, or has a word hackathon challenge, coding, programmer, STEM, science, developer, coder, or let's say engineering, or let's say technology. So totally around 6 commands and give enter. So earlier we got 89 results. Let me vomit 89 result when we used only test star. Now, yeah, now we could see 5,500. So now we got engineering test, software testing. Let me just open this profile. and see in title whether it is there or not. Maybe a testing tester. Otherwise, here also. So software test is there, definitely here software engineer, but test is not appearing in the title. So let's see that, why it's not. Software engineer. So rest of the use cases is matching, but only one use case of, okay, software tester also coming now. Software engineer. Software engineer 1, Dell. Software automation engineer. Trainee software engineer. So they would have mentioned testing, tester in title, maybe in their earlier jobs. That's reason the current testing is not showing here, but let's go to the profile and see. Okay, SE2 at Microsoft from Hyderabad. And now see the titles over here, software development engineer in test. Software is also there, test is also there. Come here. Okay, software engineer. So associate professional test engineer. So in title, we have a software. Also in title, we have a tester or a test. So in title software. Here, what is there in the title? Okay, one false positive. Fine, this is one false positive so far. And that is pretty much expected. Software engineer, or there might be a scenario there where they would have changed their LinkedIn profiles recently from software test engineer. If they might be looking out to get into the development, so some people might change, but Google does remember. So that's the reason these profiles are coming in. But otherwise, additional skills, whatever we have given, rest of the use cases of diversity, rest of the use cases of Java, Python, Go or Golang, everything is matching up. So as I mentioned, Google still remembers, and that's how it shows. But now here we have a software engineer, but we do not have a testing tester. But still it's showing the person has been involved in testing earlier. So this person also worked on test automation, but might have changed the title because recruiters might be assuming the person is in a testing, not a developer. And maybe she was thinking in that way, and that's the reason she would have changed the titles. But Google would still remember. But if you see, additional test related keywords are still existing on the profile. Okay, test management tools, experience in writing unit test, software QA. Earlier it would have been test, then after that automation, then yeah, in title test and the software both. QA, trainee software engineer, QA, software engineer might be modified, or a synonym of a test is a QA. So yeah, I'll just take a pause. Any follow-up questions?
Shiv, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose limit of adding the new connection in LinkedIn is exhausted, and you have found some good profiles. So how can we reach to their email IDs so that we can connect them and approach them for the opportunity?
Network.
Yeah.
Go to
Okay.
invitations, see all. Let me just accept this too. Then you have manage invitation, go to send invitations. So whoever not accepted, just go to previous ones. Whoever not accepted, just start withdrawing. I'll just go along. So the number of withdrawals you take, those many number of invites you can send again. If you have crossed the limitation of sending the invites, then go to manage invites and start withdrawing.
This is one of the methods, or this is the only method?
This is one of the method. Second use case, maybe use additional Chrome extensions to find their email IDs and connect. But if LinkedIn is not allowing itself, then that is only the one of the method. Let's say if LinkedIn is not at all allowing you to send the invitation, if you're completely exhausted, then that is only the one method. Go to network, go to manage invitations, and whatever are there in the sent, start withdrawing the old ones and start sending the new invitations. But if LinkedIn is still giving you enter the keyword, enter the email ID, then you can use a Chrome extensions like SalesQL, Hiretual. SalesQL is the best, I would say. You can use that particular tool, and you can see their email IDs and invite.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So coming back to this example, any follow-up questions?
Yeah, Shiv, actually, I have one question.
Yeah.
Actually, not with this particular string, but the string before this, actually, which you have used, in which
This
you
one?
have put the test. No, the next one. Here in this test, you haven't given any kind of space for that. And that means, like, if we use a string, it will search out Java tester, Python tester, Go tester, Golang tester. Is that so? Right? Am I right or wrong?
See, test star, it would take test, testing, tester, everything.
That means Java tester, Python tester. Is that so?
Let's say now. What happened? Exhausted. Okay, so let me just give very simple example.
Okay.
So Google.
I hope you will share all these things after this session, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay, so Google algorithm. When I search only for test.
Okay.
What's happening? Okay, by default, Google would give me a results of test and the synonyms of test. Test, testing, tester, everything.
Okay.
So we have a test. Everywhere test we have. So here you see testing is getting highlighted. Okay. So Google algorithm has recently changed. It's been a year that we don't really have to. There was one alternate operator, Wavy. If I give this Wavy test, this will also give me a results which are synonyms of test. Okay, then later on, Google understand this Wavy is not required. Let people search for one particular term. I will make out the synonyms of it and I'll give you the results. That's what Google thought, and that's how they modified their algorithm. That's reason now if you see Wavy test, it's giving a tests, testing, test, and all. Okay, it's highlighting. When it is highlighting, that means Google is trying to show that. Similarly, as I mentioned, that Wavy we can still use it in case we are very specific about it. But otherwise, Google is still giving us, when we search for one particular term test, it still gives us all the results which has test, testing, like here if you see tests, testing, test, and all. So that's a default. So now when we're giving such lengthy booleans like in title, I would need a test and all, then Google becomes little skeptical. What is that person trying to find out? So when we give in title only one particular test, okay, we had 89 results. That was more accurate. But when we increase further tester testing, though the results were good enough, but still Google got a bit skeptical. Google got a bit difficult, a bit confused, though it gives us a result which are more accurate only, but little false positive. The reason because there was a command of in title test or testing. Now, instead of in title test, let's say we go with testing. Now we get more accurate result, only testing. But when I'm using the combination of in title test or testing or tester, then Google got confused. So if you see earlier in title test, we got 89, now we got 8. So in that case, again, we understand that Google is getting confused if I'm using in that way, but I'll use it in this way. In title test or in title testing or in title tester, and also in title software space star. That star could be anything. It doesn't make sense for me even to use star when I'm using just the software in title. Something went wrong in title software. Maybe exhausted 12 keywords, sorry, 32 keywords. This is strange. Okay, now we got software tester, software testing, software test. So first go 30, then let's refine. So 1140 again. So when I'm using one by one, we got further better result. So maybe we can always go first testing, then tester. Let's say now we'll use only testing in title testing, because we're trying to find the automation test engine. That's the reason like software we are using in title. But if I don't want automation, just the pure play tester, then I would remove this Java, Python or anything and look for pure play testers. So in title software star space star and then in title testing. So this gives us 8. In title tester, this gives us another 14. In title test, this gives us another 89. But when we use a combination of testing or tester, Google is trying to understand, but it's getting confused. But it's still giving us the right set of results based on a memory what Google remembers, where people in title would have written test, but now they have changed it. That's the reason like when we use in title test or in title in title testing or in title tester. Okay, in title software space star, that star would resemble any word, and in combination it would take test, testing or tester again in title. So now we see how many we got. So 850 again.
Okay.
So every title has a word software, every title has a word test, testing or tester.
And one more thing, like suppose if you put star with the test, then what will happen? Like in the starting, you have mentioned that thing as well.
Exactly. So as I mentioned, when we give a normal keyword search, that test could be defined as a testing, tester, tester. Google, that's how understand when we go for a normal keyword. But when we're giving a particular command in title only, I want a test star. it was not taking. It was only taking in title only test. It was not taking rest of the words as a testing tester, because in title
Okay.
it was not trying to understand that asterisk.
That means in title and star has got collapsed together.
Exactly.
It has not worked.
So when we use software space star, that is something which has been understood, because there is a space, but a particular exact word, test star, it is supposed to be understand as a test, testing or tester, but Google did not understood, because we are very specific in title we need.
It has only taken as test only. It will show you test things only, with all the things which are containing test. That's it.
Exactly.
No
Only
tester, no
containing test.
testing, nothing. Okay.
Exactly. That's where we have went ahead and again given entitled test or entitled testing or entitled tester. And now we got all the result. But when we go for only entitled test, we got 18, 89 entitled testing, we got 8 entitled tester, we got 11. Comparably, we had a very less number. But when we have given with the OR option, comparably, we have a much larger number. The reason because the results we are getting, people would have mentioned earlier in the title, and based on the Google memory, it would have remember. But recently, people would have changed based on the behavior, where so recruiters are reaching out and saying that they're reaching out with that, because they wanted to come from automation testing to the development role, but it's not getting shortlisted. Then they started changing the titles, but Google still remembers, and that's where it started giving us. So let's say test, testing, tester, everything we got. Let me open the profiles where there is no test, testing, tester in the title.
So suppose if we don't use in title in that and we use just test with star, so will that work over here? No.
Test star in title wouldn't be understood.
No, if I am saying if we remove in title, this term, if we remove from the string.
Okay, in title if you remove,
yeah.
In title if I remove, test star if I say, then this star, then this test would come anywhere in the page, anywhere in the text. So let's say you're saying TEST, test star. Now it would give us test, testing, tester, all the related keywords related to test, test, testing, tester, but it's not necessary. It will give only in the title. It might give anywhere in the page.
Okay. Because the in title command has been removed. That's why.
Exactly. Now, if you say here it is something else, software development engineer, but here it is a test performance. Here, anywhere, as I mentioned, it's not necessary that it could appear in a title or in a URL only. It could appear anywhere in the page. So the title is different, but we're in test-driven approach. Software testing engineer. So as I mentioned, when we go for a keyword test star, it would take test, testing, tester, everything. But when we are very specific in title, I need test star. It was taking in title only test. It was actually excluding that star. It was not trying to understand the star. But when we have given in title test or in title testing or in title tester, then it's understood clearly. So when we ask, our question also should be clear to the Google.
Okay.
So here, if you see testing here, software development engineer, because we have given in title software, and that's the reason we have come in.
And suppose if we put the the in text command over there, it will show the same result, right?
It will show the same. In text doesn't make sense unless we are very specific. We'll later on come to examples once we advance to our next levels. Slowly we'll come to some of the example where we are very specific that in text I need.
Okay. And in this string, test star, and why there is no space in test and star?
See, now test in continuation we given star. The reason because we want TEST ing to be included. Okay. Testing is one word, tester is one word, tested is one word. That's the reason we have used test star. As soon as I use test space star, like the way we have used space software space star. Okay. Yeah. So it would take any word. It would not take only test. It would take any word after test. So as I mentioned, test, Google algorithm, when we search only for test, it's showing us result test, testing, tester. Similarly, same algorithm, again, Google will follow here. For this test, it would understand test, testing, tester, any one word would be given. And after that, this star would be resembled with any word.
Okay.
But Shiva,
That
you mean to
means-
say there is no, I'm sorry.
So to
So
give
there is
better
no difference
example,
between,
huh?
so I'm sorry to interrupt you, Shiva. So I just would like to know, so there is no difference between giving test or test star. Hello?
Absolutely.
No, no.
Unless we're
Because Google understands it the same. Like in
exactly,
case if you
unless
give test
we are
star
not
as well.
very specific.
Okay. Okay.
Unless we are not very
I'm sorry.
specific for the title or for the URL. But if you're giving test or test star, it's okay. No need to use star also. As I mentioned here in the example earlier, it used to be just to get the synonym. This used to be a command, but Google understood. Google become more clear, more accurate, saying that, okay, fine, if people are searching for test, let me show result for test, testing, tester, anything. Similarly, over here also, still Google command, when I'm saying test star, test continuation star, whether I'm giving like this or whether I'm giving like this, that doesn't make a difference. It will give me the same result, because if I say test, so if you see test, we have it, but test, so here if you see testing,
Tested or something.
tested or tester, it would come. So that star would not make much difference. In a very specific cases, when we want that a specialized thing, that's where only in title software space star we are using, unless we are very specific about it. But otherwise, it's not required.
So that means one more thing I have got an idea about that. Like if we are putting a space after software, that means we are covering all the words which will come after software, right?
After software, all the words.
Yes.
Yeah. And in test, if we are putting no gap and star, then we are covering all the words which include test in it itself, right?
Exactly. In this example, now if I say woman star, it would take woman, women's, and all. Girl star, it would take girl, girls, and all.
Girls.
Shiv, a follow-up question. Does it include a senior software engineer or principal software engineer? I mean, since principal
anything after software.
Okay.
Okay, now.
But Shiv, what is the continuation to woman? A woman is a single word, right? Woman star, what is it?
You search for woman, it will also show for women's. So no need to use star also there also as well. Now I'll just take.
I was confused. Yeah.
No need to use star over there as well. Let's come here. Now go for third example. Okay, now you'll understand the importance of star. Okay. I'll say colon. Okay, let me just directly give here. Colon 3 star EXPERIENCE experience. Now, if you see 3 star, that star resembles anything, and that's reason we got 3 of experience, 3 years experience. Similarly, 4 star. Star resembles anything, 4 years experience, 4 years experience, 4 plus experience, 4 years experience, 4 years experience. This is later point in time actually, but just to give a glance, 3.6. So anything between 3 to 6, 3.1 year, 4.5 years. So these years, people might write YRS, YEAR, YEARS. They could write in 10 different ways, or they could write a number of other keywords also. 3+ years or YR of quality experience, like that also. But this star resembles any word. It could be 1 word, it could be 2 word, it could be 3 word. So this is number range. Search 3.6. In next 10 minutes we'll get disconnected, so I'll finish it off here today. So 3.6. So anything between 3 to 6, star resembles any word. I'm not specific about year or years or plus or minus, and then experience. So if you see here, 3.1 years, 4.5 years of experience, 6 years of experience, 3 of experience, 3.5. Here there is no space, just that star. 3.5 years experience, 3.5 years experience.
So why you have put 2 dots in between 3 and 6?
That's a number range search. It's taking minimum 3 and maximum 6. That's a later.
Okay.
So that is covered in later sessions. But just to give the importance of star, when and how to use it, I've taken this example.
And then space and then star. 3 dot
Yes.
dot 6. Okay.
So any number from 3 to 6, like we see 4.5, 3.1, 3.4 or 5.2 or 6.
Actually, why, Shiv, I'm sorry for interrupting you. Why I put that space in between the star? Because we want the words, possible words who can come after 3 and 6, right?
Exactly.
I hope I'm right.
After 3 and 6. So 3 is years. Years could be anything. People might write year or years or YR or YRS or 4.6 YERS. People might write anything. So think in candidate point of view, how candidate might write. So 5 years, they could write anything. So that's reason blindly I've taken star here. So I'll just take a pause. I know it would be too much for today and might be confusing, but yeah, I'll just share this screen. But if I go beyond this, it would be totally mess up. Let's go slowly, but let's go good. I'll take a pause. Any confusion, any question?
After 6, there was a space.
Yes, after 6, there is a space because space star 3 dot dot 6, any one word, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3.5, 3.4, 3.6, 3.7, 4.1, 4.2, 4.10, 4.12, or 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.10, up to 6, any one word, 3 to 6, space, there is a star. That star could resemble anything. It could be YRS. This star could be YRS, YEAR, YEARS. It could be any word. Star could be any word, not just the year or years. It could be off. It could be anything. It's just the star. It's just the fill in the blanks. It could be anything. But we are very specific about this word, experience. That's where it's taking any one word between 3 dot dot 6, any word in between, and again the experience. And this star could give us 1 word, 2 word, or 3 word between these words and these words. That's where we see 3.1 years experience, 4.5 years experience, 6 years experience, 3 of experience, 3.5, there is no space, years experience, 3.5 years experience. It would be somewhere. We just open this profile. See here, 5+ years experience, 5.2 years experience, 6 years experience, 4 years experience, 3 years experience, 5.11 up to 6 we have given maximum. So 5.11 years experience. So it could be anything like that. 4 years experience. So this years, only one explanation over there. So it could be anything because it's just the star. I'll just take a pause.
What is the difference in giving Google search and direct LinkedIn search?
See, this is a X-ray search. Okay, direct LinkedIn, in free LinkedIn version, we have a limitation of the searches. We cannot give these many keywords. There is a other session, how to break that particular limitation. But otherwise, if I'm searching directly in LinkedIn, will I be able to give these many keywords? Will I be able to give experience range in a free version of LinkedIn?
No.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so this is only for LinkedIn. Similarly, we'll cover for a few other portals also, like something like Quora. We just touched based today, but in tomorrow's session, we'll have further in-depth and dive deep on the same session what we're covering today, but with different set of examples. So I know within one session, this cannot be clearly understand. Definitely, we need to have one more session. So till tomorrow, please dive deep on it. Just try to see how this is working, and please come up with a follow-up questions. I'm just sharing these strings here.
So Google search 32 words is max.
Yeah.
Shift this in URL, this will also be considered as word only. This command will also be considered as word.
In URL is a command. After in URL, linkedin.com/in is a keyword.
Oh.
I'll also ping in a WhatsApp group. And I see like there are a couple of people who has left because we have overtime. Anyways, we'll cover the same session tomorrow again. Meanwhile, just try to see in case if you have any of the doubt. I've pinged the strings over here in the chat, and also I'll ping in a group.
That will be helpful.
Thank you, Shiv.
So I'll just take a pause. I know there might be some confusion or something, but feel free to ask. But otherwise, just go through the examples which we have shared, and maybe tomorrow we'll cover this related or people also search for. But I think we're getting close to what we're trying to explore. And I'm trying to be as descriptive as possible. So please give me a feedback if not.
Shiv, you were sharing these strings in WhatsApp chat, right?
Yeah, I'll be sharing.
Okay. Because I can see this in chat session. If these charts with Zoom call ends, then we might not be able to.
No, I'll share in the chat also. If someone is not on a WhatsApp group, please do ping me on a WhatsApp. This is my number. You might get disconnected in next 2 minutes. 8050020304. So this is my number. Just ping me on it, and I'll add it to the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, and Shiv, congratulations on your new job. And
thank you so much.
I'm
happy about my new job, but yeah, this Mac OS is something really I need to pick up on this. But otherwise, yeah, thank God. Let's see further sessions, and once I get hands-on, because definitely when it was Windows, it was pretty easy for me, because not just for these particular sessions or not just for typing, there were some of the other hacks also which I used to run on a Windows, and I was pretty much comfortable with it. But I just definitely may not be a week or 2 weeks to learn the entire Windows on a Mac, how I can run those operations what I used to run on a Windows. It might take a lot of time for sure. So maybe a basics I would understand within 1 to 2 weeks, but if I have to go beyond that, it might take some time.
And Shiv, I have one more, suggestion or one more request. If in case if you can share us like what are all these Chrome extensions that we need to download and keep it ready for the future sessions or future classes, that would be helpful. So that if in case if we get some time, we can also do the basic understanding about those Chrome extensions, so that there would be no question like where this enter key would be, or where I can see this
if you see like in a LinkedIn group, I've shared this what we say table of content. What is that we're going to cover in the table of content? Everything is line by line. So what you're asking about the Chrome extensions and all, so what are the Chrome extensions I use during the sessions? Immediately I'll tell you. Like last time it was a
highlighting.
Okay, immediately I'll tell you. Okay, we have to go step by step. Whenever we are using those extensions, then I'll tell you the use cases of those. But there is one specific session which is on a later